Alright, got Jim with his eFlite Cobra P-39. He let me fly this once, and it's a great flying plane. About a $279 price point.
This thing just makes me want to go crazy.
Well, it makes me want to get one, but I've really had my eye on that FMS T-28.
Yeah.
And probably within 30 bucks of price on it. That rolls good.
Yeah, it does.
And that was on low rates too, I remember you said.
I think I had one other airplane I never had to do anything to trim with. You know what I mean, on the first flight?
Yeah, you're not the first one. I've seen a couple of other YouTube videos where they commented the same thing, no trim whatsoever.
I don't think it's a copy of an old airplane, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm not sure. You know, eFlite has been coming out with rebranded FMS planes, but I don't know if this was one or not.
Yeah, it flies great, it really does. Wow. I'm going really slow up there. Of course, I got the speed if it falls, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you're up there pretty good high. Probably only going to be a little dot on the film.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'll bring it down. No,
Only if you're comfortable. Only if you're comfortable.
Move into the fence. I'll try to bring it in closer. Okay.
I don't want you to say, I wrecked my new P-39 because David wanted me to get it closer to film it.
No,
well, at least I'll film the crash if that happens.
Sorry, I just flying it. Okay, I'm going to go back to the right.
No, just enjoy it and savor the moment.
But you see the angle on that?
Yeah.
Doing that real slow a minute ago, I'm surprised I didn't lose it.
Well, I'm impressed because that little P-40 I was flying, if you would have done that maneuver there, I guarantee you it would have twirled in.
Yeah. I'm still not low enough for you. Sorry. So like I said, this isn't about my fifth flight with it.
Fifth?
It's been up 6 times. You flew it once.
Yeah, I flew it once. It was a good flying little plane.
Yeah. Sorry. Right now.
I don't remember. Did I land it or did I give it back to you? I did?
Fine, huh?
So I don't remember what it landed like. Excuse me.
For a warbird, it flies really well. I'm more comfortable probably standing back here and trying to keep it in.
You know, it's funny. I first started flying, I was doing trikes like most people do. I couldn't wait to get to a tail dragger, and now I'm back to where I like trikes on the landing gear.
Maybe not low enough.
Well, just do what you're comfortable with is all. If it comes out, it comes out. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
Yeah.
It's just a hat cam video. It's not like it's a great video anyway. I need to bring my better camera out.
But no, I enjoy flying it. It flies pretty easy. It reminds me of that CJ. It's a little more sophisticated, okay?
Right.
It does things a little better. That was another reason I'm kind of glad I did get one, a new one. The people in Hong Kong, I think it's Hong Kong, still have it on the internet. And it's not but like $220 to get it here altogether.
The CJ?
Yeah.
Well, I thought you said they were out of them.
Well, I found one place that said they had them. I don't know if it does or doesn't.
Oh, I thought when you contacted them they said it was back ordered too.
And one place here in Florida said they had them. They emailed me the next day and said they did not have them.
Have you done a touch and go on it yet?
No, I'm down to 1 minute 4 of the battery, and I don't remember the. Let's bring the gear down. Pick up the speed. Still a little high. Okay. Yeah, see? It looks all right. Am I out of the rough?
You need to come this way. Yeah, now you're out. Nice.
The rough's what I was worried about.